The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Push in on the stopper and pull outwards. When it unclips, rotate and pull the stopper through to remove it. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1132 filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. The stopper is reinstalled by inserting the rubber in first and sliding upwards. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.